Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to improve facial contour without beauty salons. 2 simple exercises. With age, facial skin loses its firmness, freshness and elasticity. In order to prevent its premature aging, it is necessary to eat right, choose the right care, and do simple exercises every day. How can you improve the contour of the face and remove the double chin? For the oval, relaxation and stretching of the chewing muscles that hold the frame and the entire middle part of the face are very important. In order to tighten the oval of the face, perform the following set of exercises. 1. Tilt your head back and lower it forward, about 20 times. 2. Describe the head in a semicircle and back to each shoulder, at least 20 times. 3. Take air into your mouth, roll it from one cheek to another, passing it under the upper lip. 4. Fold the sound of the lip as if to say "oh." Using circular motions of your tongue, massage the inner surface of your cheeks. 5. Press your lips together and try to smile as wide as possible, then pull them forward with a tube as you prepare for a kiss. 6. Lift your face up, moving the lower jaw forward, as if you want to say the sound Y. Hold the position for a few seconds, then relax the muscles. Repeat a few times. To strengthen the jawline, get rid of the double chin and, in fact, correct the oval of the face, you can try another exercise. To do this, you need to fold your hands on the neckline, right over left. Close the teeth tightly. Smile and begin to quickly and rhythmically contract up the muscles of the neck and chin. Hands fix the décolleté with light resistance. Perform 3 contractions, then relax. This is one approach. It is necessary to perform at least 5 such approaches. Also, with age, the skin loses its natural moisture, so cosmetologists advise drinking a lot of water throughout the day. About 1.52 liters. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.